If you've ever laid out tiles, you know it can be time consuming and a headache, especially with tricky patterns like herringbone. Today I'm going to show you a new app I've built that makes tile layout super easy, scale to real size. After 20 years of professional tiling, I made this app to help DIYers and pros with fast, accurate tile setout. Let's jump into it. So this is the first thing you'll see when you open the app, and the first thing is to decide your floor or wall shape. Let's go with a basic square here and keep the length and width as it is. I'll enter the tile size. Let's go for 60 by 60s. Spacer size at 2mm is good, and let's go for a conventional straight pattern. You'll see here the system has already worked out how many tiles you'll need from your inputs with your selectable waste. Clicking generate will give you a real scale preview of your room and tiles. You can zoom in and out and simply move the tile grid around to check different tile layouts for your room. Clicking lines will add the room's centre lines for extra guidance. Now most rooms are not empty, so let's add an object. I'll name this one shower tray, click OK, and there we go. We can now place that anywhere in the room it needs to be. You can also see it gives you real-time coordinates to help you place it exactly in its real-life place. Okay, let's mix it up and say you wanted your tiles in a brick bond style. Simply selecting from the pattern toggle and clicking generate will now give you your desired pattern to test the tile layout. Okay, let's clear the room by clicking clear to remove the last objects. I should mention, if you're interested in purchasing this app, all the details are below in the description. Just click the link to my Buy Me a Coffee page or website and all the info is there. Moving on, you'll see the app has changeable snapping for fine tuning, and you can rotate tile patterns and room shapes with the rotate buttons. Now onto what I think is a great feature. So let's just set up a room by adding a shower to the layout, and if we click the save layout button and give the design a name, that will give you a downloaded PDF which you can view on your phone or print with all the info you need. You can see it has the tile size, pattern, how many tiles we need, and the room dimensions. This is a game changer for pre-planning your design or taking it to work with you the next day. And by entering the shape and entering the values at the top, we can make different room styles. At the moment, the common L and T-shape layouts are selectable. Okay, let's go for the big one. So selecting pattern and choosing herringbone, it will now give you some herringbone tile options. Again, clicking generate will give you a fully scaled herringbone pattern. More tile sizes can be added on request, but these are the most common at the moment. Along with the center lines, you can now perfect your herringbone layout without laying out loads of tiles on the floor. Another tricky pattern is hexagons, and in this example let's use the 4 wall shape as a bathroom wall. You can use the objects to start adding things like shower niches and shower trays. Use the live coordinates to correctly position them, and now you can set your hexagon wall tiles out to make sure they look nice and work out well with everything. Again, you could print this off or take it to your job on your phone to know exactly where to start the tiling. So if you're interested in the app, then go to my website and you'll be greeted with all the info on how to access it. Clicking the link will take you to my Buy Me a Coffee page where you can purchase the app in the shop section. I look forward to hearing your thoughts and feedback. Take care guys, happy tiling, and I'll catch you in the next one.